we're stood here in the gallery space of the Architectural Association in London. The sound of melting ice fills the air. One of the important reasons why we are taken to the Arctic by Greenpeace, and one of the reasons why Cambridge is studying this region so much, is that polar ice is melting. It's melting at an unprecedented level. We use a piece of surveying equipment which we stand on a tripod, and it uses a laser to measure the distance from the machine to an individual point in space. The reason that we went to the Arctic was to collect scientific information. We were specifically asked by some scientists to go and do that for them. And it was only while we were in the Arctic and using the specific piece of technology that we employ, we noticed that the visual qualities that technology could offer could kind of start to tell another story.
So to make an ice flow like this, we take our intricate scan data, it's turned into a computer mesh, and that mesh is then 3D printed using a rapid prototype technology. From there, we take a silica mold, and into that silica mold, we plant ice and water. So you can see here fissures and cracks appearing in the ice, and this is representative of how things were moving and what was happening to the real ice in the Arctic while we were there. From the icebreaker that we were on, which was Greenpeace's Arctic Sunrise, the boat would represent a size of about there. So from here we could see out over the surface, but obviously a lot of the ice is actually held beneath the water.
There's a couple of very distinct features which the CI scientists are very interested in. Something called pressure ridges, which happen when two bits of the surface of the frozen ocean collide into each other, start to form a kind of plate tectonic style ridge.
So these ridges here are where two flows have collided, and that material has been pushed together and has to go somewhere. So this has been pushed down and causes these formations here.
One of the things we hope the exhibition will do is start to raise awareness of the way that mankind is treating the planet that we're on and the effects that is having, particularly in the polar regions, particularly with climate change and global warming.